Fixing a spacecraft is hard enough on Earth, but the Voyager team has fixed a spacecraft 15 billion miles away, 24 billion kilometers, in interstellar space, again. Voyager 1 stopped sending science and engineering data to Earth on November 14, 2023, even though mission controllers could tell the spacecraft was still receiving their commands and operating normally. Check out the team's timeline to get the 46-year-old spacecraft back on track. Black Circle, March 2024. The Voyager engineering team at JPL confirmed that the issue is tied to a small portion of corrupted memory in one of the spacecraft's 3 onboard computers, called the Flight Data Subsystem, FDS, which is responsible for packaging the science and engineering data before it's sent to Earth. They devised a plan to divide the affected code into sections and store those sections in different places in the FDS. To make this plan work, they also needed to adjust those code sections to ensure they all still functioned. Any references to the location of that code in other parts of the FDS memory had to also be updated. Black Circle, April 18, 2024. The team sent commands to the new code location in the FDS memory. Black Circle, April 20th, 2024. The mission flight team heard back from the spacecraft and saw that the modification worked. For the first time in 5 months, they were able to get the spacecraft to return usable engineering data about the health and status of its onboard systems, including the science instruments. Black Circle, May 17, 2024. The team sent commands that enabled the spacecraft to resume sending science data to Earth from the plasma wave subsystem and magnetometer instruments, 2 of the 4 science instruments on the spacecraft. Black Circle today. Now, all 4 of the science instruments are returning usable science data. Black Circle next up. While Voyager 1 is back to doing science, additional minor work is needed to clean up the issue's effects, including resynchronizing timekeeping software in the spacecraft's 3 onboard computers so they can execute commands correctly. The team also will perform maintenance on the digital tape recorder, which records some data for the plasma wave instrument sent back to Earth twice yearly. Most of the Voyager's science data is sent directly to Earth and not recorded.